everyone, I'm Suman from grade 2A. Today I am going to show you how to make a water cycle in the bag. All you'll need are just some common household items. You need a Ziploc bag, a cup of water, see-through tape, and actually we need blue food coloring, but since I don't have, we can use orange. And all you'll need is a permanent marker. Step 2. Decorate your bag. Draw the water bodies, the sun, and the cloud. Okay, now decorating the bag is ready. So, I drawed the water bodies, the evaporation state of the water, sun, condensation, and precipitation. For step 3, to prepare the water, you need some regular tap water and put a few drops of food coloring into it. Then, pour it gently into the bag. Now, here it is. Now, we need to zip the bag up very tight, not to make any water spill. Then we need to cut 2 long pieces of tape and stick them to the corners of your bag. Then, let's move on to step 4. Hang up the bag. Pick a window that has more sunlight for the best results. Step 5. Wait and observe. Wait until a couple of hours to see your changes in your bag. Wait for 2 hours and 1 day. Eventually, you will see small drops of water sticking to the side of the bag. Some are up high and some are already returning back to their water body like rain. Why is this happening? This is because the water in the bag is being heated by the sunny window. And then it turns into a gas called evaporation. Then it goes to air in nature, and then since in the bag there is no atmosphere and nowhere to go, so it sticks to the side of the bag and it goes to like condensation, and the condensated water falls down like rain and returns back to the pool of water. Back on your experiment a few times a day or any time where it's sunny to see your water cycle process happening. Thanks for watching.